What's up, guys? It's Ben A. Tyler Robinson. Charlie Kirk's killer arrived at court in Utah today. For the first time, we were able to see him, and what happened will make your blood boil. You can see some major, severe snipers on the roof. Big time show of force for this first court appearance. Intense security. Charlie Kirk's assassin scheduled to make his first physical appearance in court. Provo, Utah has been appearing digitally. Law enforcement on the roof, zip-tied doors, roadblocks, massive police caravan, and armored vehicles went into the Sally Port. Look at this. He travels heavier than most members of the Trump administration. This is Tyler Robinson arriving at his court date. He is in an armored vehicle with a police escort. You can see that armored vehicle, military-style vehicle, as it rolls through. Obviously, looks like better protection than the president gets, better protection than Charlie had. Look at that. And man, let me tell you what happened inside of that court will make you rage. Tyler Robinson showed absolutely zero remorse inside of the court and did some things that is causing the internet to say, you know what the hell have we been doing? This dude actually thinks he's going to get off. This dude actually thinks that there's probably enough noise out there that he is gonna skate. Here we go. Charlie Kirk assassin Tyler Robinson appears in court. He's smiling and laughing. Demonic, evil, sick, make it quick. Here is the footage of Tyler Robinson in court. You can see him here in this clip, and you can see him grinning, smirking. He's got his public defenders with him. Saul's thing is very strange. Tyler Robinson laughing and chuckling with his representatives. So you can see here, he's got a little smile on his face. Wearing plain clothes, wearing a tie, wearing a shirt. Roadblocks. There you go. Tyler Robinson leaning in, conferring with his counsel, laughing, smirking directly at the courthouse. You can see here the closer up photo. Whoa. What a monster. There you go. Here's your first high def photo of Tyler Robinson. The internet is angry. Evil scum knows Tyler Robinson in court for the first time. He's all smiles and laughs. He's able to wear civilian clothing. I hope he meets his maker soon. Caravan, major assets, SWAT vehicles, and so on. Accused Charlie Kirk assassin transported to court with heavy police motorcade. Smirks and smiles. I can't say what I really want to say or how I feel about Tyler Robinson in court. Tyler Robinson is smiling and laughing. He has zero remorse for what he did. Make it quick. Tyler Robinson appears in court today with a smirk on his face. You can see there he's proud of what he did. Tyler Robinson has been seen laughing while talking to his head lawyer. What a psychopathic piece of shit he is. He's in civilian clothing, required to be shackled for the entirety of the proceeding. He's also smiling and laughing. Smirking and chuckling are the headlines here. The internet is rightfully quite outraged by this. You can see why they stopped the media from filming Tyler Robinson, because you're going to get obviously some major blowback, but it's shots like this that just are creeping people out across the internet. There you go. Grotesque. The face of evil. For real. Look at that. The face of evil. Sick. Tyler Robinson smirking and smiling in court should make your blood boil. Why is he smiling? Tyler Robinson is laughing and looks really relaxed in Provo, Utah. Does he think he's going to get off? Pure evil. So I guess we'll see what happens next. Obviously, this is something that is accelerated. There was a simple ruling on the motion in order to get cameras inside of the courthouse. Obviously, everybody's calling for cameras in the courthouse. But all of the lawyers are on, and all the prosecutors, and everybody is under a gag order from the judge. The judge did not rule today on whether there would be cameras in the courthouse. It is ruled that Tyler Robinson's family members cannot remain in the courtroom in the closed session, just given the nature of the sensitivity of it. Okay. Defense team arguing right now that someone inside of the courthouse has already violated the rules, showing Robinson in shackles. Biggest takeaway here from Cernovich, high confidence, Tyler Robinson used a 30-06 to murder Charlie Kirk, and he was the sole shooter, with the remaining open question regarding who, if anybody, had advanced knowledge of the details of the terrorist attack, biggest, deadliest terrorist attack on American soil in years. Tyler Robinson was the shooter. Tyler Robinson was able to get on the roof because America is an open, trusting society. Drones were not used by Charlie because there was a turf war between campus police and Charlie security. I've spoken to events. Similar conflicts arise. It becomes an ego fest. The campus security should be investigated for negligence. Bullet pathways and ballistics are unpredictable on target. MLK was shot with a 30-06. The text messages Robin sent to his trans lover were Reddit coded. Totally not surprising or off. The SD card was removed from the cameras because media-savvy staffers. Charlie Kirk assassin is a state case, and prosecutors are notoriously anxious about evidence being released. They aren't going to try the case in the court of podcasts and social media. The court rules against this. Judge blows a gasket. And I do think that it was a mistake for Cash and Bongino to refrain from using strategic leaks to debunk the nonsense around the case. They should have leaked the case file to some friendlies in the media. A case of this level will be tried on social media, like it or not. Well, that has been a matter of absolute fact. So I guess we'll see, ladies and gentlemen, what happens next. This makes me very mad. It's your boy Benny. Like, share, and subscribe.